guys, it's Iris, and today I'm doing the small YouTuber tag, so I'm just gonna get into it. What inspired you to start making videos? I would probably actually say people on YouTube showing their Lego creations in videos. My first YouTube video was actually me showing a Lego creation, I'm not even joking. How long have you been on YouTube, and have you had other channels? I don't know necessarily how long exactly I've been on YouTube, probably 6 years, but I definitely have had other channels. I've had like 3 other channels, I think. Where do you see yourself and your YouTube channel in 5 years? I see myself in college and my YouTube channel still going. What message are you trying to get across with your videos? Probably to just be really confident and love yourself unapologetically. If you seem conceited, you're doing enough. You might as well love yourself a little too much rather than not loving yourself. Let's be real. What does your username mean? Me, myself, and Iris. Well, it's me, myself, and I, but my name is Iris, so I was like, that's funny, that's clever, it's happening. Favorite small YouTuber? I'm gonna go with under 20k here, and I would probably say Marla Catherine. I'm not sure if she's my favorite, but I really do love her videos. Her thumbnails are beautiful and her Instagram is beautiful. I'll leave a link to her channel in the description because she is amazing. And she's also 12, and I'm jealous that I wasn't that amazing when I was 12. I was a dork. I still am a dork. Whoops. And that's actually it for the small YouTuber tag, so now you know a little bit more about me and my channel. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and maybe subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. Remember to be confident and love yourself. That's all. Bye, guys.